This UK manufactured recliner will help you rest backwards in total comfort and will provide you with complete assistance in rising to an upright position. The chair is available in 3 different sizes, ranging from petite to grand. The chair benefits from supportive arm and leg rests, a well-cushioned seat pad, a tailored and cushioned back panel, and is available in a selection of attractive colours and materials. A hard wooden frame and quality fixtures and fittings are the foundations of this impressive recliner. In its full recline, you'll benefit from great comfort, while in rise position, you'll be able to exit the chair with minimum effort. The Regent offers a choice of single or dual motor systems. Single motors move one section of the chair at a time, while dual motors move both sections together or individually. Dual motor recliners allow for a near horizontal rest position. This chair benefits from a strong mains powered motor system with an inbuilt fail-safe battery backup system, and is operated by a simple to use button controller which can be conveniently placed in the side pocket. The Regent benefits from a reset position facility which promotes easy use and has a 25-stone safety rating. This chair is available with matching 2- and 3-seater and footstool. It has a matching accessory pack consisting of arm and headrest covers, lumbar cushion, and this chair has a 5-year manufacturer's guarantee. Remember, you can call our highly trained sales staff for a more detailed description of this recliner. The number's on the screen now.